investment funds in a 401k do well in an inflationary environment? So this really kind of piggybacks what I just talked about in IRA. In a 401k, it's hard to say because all of you are in different plans, and some of them are very, very limited, where they only have 6 or 7 funds. Some might have 15 to 20. Some might have 50, and some might have a brokerage link where you have access to more choices in that brokerage link. So it really depends. Some of you, unfortunately, may not have the access to some of the funds you would want to look at to help mitigate inflation. Some of you might be able to do that option one rollover and work with a retirement group in helping you structure a portfolio to do that in an IRA. But if you have access to them, a lot of the things we did, leading into last year, prior to the surge in inflation, and we're still doing some, but again, things change by period by period. But some of the things were staying short on the yield curve on the bond side. We tend to always focus on value companies, so focus on companies that are established, have cash on hand, continue to pay dividends, so it softens that blow. So we go back to the growth companies that were borrowing money. These value companies are not borrowing money. Yes, they're down, but they're not down nearly as much as what growth companies are. Maybe you wanted to increase your commodity exposure. Those are all different things to look at as far as mitigating some of the risk of inflation, looking at Treasury inflation protected securities, real estate investments. There's a lot of different options, but really it depends upon what choices you have in that 401k. You may not have that flexibility. So give us a call and we can show you what you have versus what you could get in an IRA.